To be seen is to be loved. Being talkative makes noise that attracts people. And if you attract people, it will make you notice you. And when and if people notice us as a human being, of course makes it will feel pleasure for us because we will feel uh, being validated. But if you always feel validated and uh, people starting to expect from you that you're always doing great, it will cause pressure to you and you will have having hard time to fulfill it, and sometimes it will cause you totally break down. So in this world we only have two choices, being talkative and being silence. For example, you imagine argue with people with someone and you chose to be talkative where you speak, where you say everything that's come to your mind without even thinking about it. Now, if you do it, what do you think will happen? It will worsen. It will make the problem more worse, isn't it? And pretend to be silent and and if you choose to be silent, you think everything that comes to your mind is think before you speak and act. There's a high probability that you will solve the problems and will not make the problem worsen. So, why silence is not a weakness? Mm. By being silent, you understand the problem better. You analyze it more better than being pressured. You think and think before you do some actions. That's why you can understand the problem better. Number two, by being silent, you avoid oversharing because by being silent, you think the words you spoke, and of course, you will avoid um, saying unnecessary words. That's why it will avoids you to overshare. Next one, emotional intelligence. It will makes you it will boosting up your emotional intelligence because as being silent, um, you control your emotion than your actions. You don't you don't let your emotions interfere with your you don't let emotions interfere with your actions. In short, you control your actions without your emotion involved. Next one, attractiveness. By being silent, you by being silent, um, it will make you it will make and look you more mature than the average. Uh, you will look like a man rather than a boy. So I can say that it will be attractive. So in conclusion, silence silence is a power. But if you rely too much on it, it doesn't no. Uh it doesn't good either. So we have to find the balance there. We have we have to find where we have to analyze where to be silent or where to be talkative. Because if there's unbalance there, same it will make the problem more worse. So balance is the key. That's it. Thank you.